Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day. We're going to be doing very easy recipes because if you know anything about me, I like to do my meal prep on Sundays and my recipes are extremely easy. I do eat mostly plant-based, so these are some really good vegan plant-based recipes that are delicious and that you can whip up and, you know, put your own flavor or spin on them if you want to. We're gonna get into the video, but first, I wanna tell you about today's sponsor, which is VidaCap. They make natural, high quality mushroom capsules. So if you didn't know, there's a variety of mushrooms out there that have a lot of nutritional and therapeutic benefits that can actually significantly improve your health if you include them in your regular diet. Some of the most popular mushrooms that you may have heard of include reishi, chaga, turkey's tail, lion's mane, and cordyceps. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but those are some of the most popular kind of mushrooms that are out there. So I have the sleep capsules from VidaCap, and these have reishi mushroom powder in them, but they also have added passion flower and melatonin in them to support healthy sleep cycles. So I've been using this and I do like it a lot. I have tried other melatonin capsules, and what I like about these is there's no lagging or lingering of sleepiness or tiredness that I have the next day. So that is something that I immediately noticed about this. So I definitely recommend these if you're someone who takes melatonin capsules or chews and you've thought about it. I would definitely suggest these because it has really great health benefits with the reishi mushroom powder. So yeah, I really like these. I've had a really good experience with these for sure. So I also have the chaga mushroom capsules from VidaCap. I like to take these for daily wellness and nutritional support. So the chaga mushroom powders in these capsules provide natural antioxidants, they support healthy digestion, and they support a healthy and functioning metabolism. So these are really good just for daily support of your body, health, and well-being. So I think these are pretty cool. If you're interested, then check out the description box. I have a link down there, and if you click that link to make your purchase, then you will save 20% off your order. My coupon code JamilaNia will be applied automatically. So when you check out, you automatically save 20% with that coupon code. So yeah, they have a variety of different mushroom capsules that address different needs and different health benefits. So yeah, be sure to check that out in the description box. Thanks to VidaCap for working with me and sponsoring this video. Now let's get on to some food because your girl is hungry, okay? So for lunch, I'm going to be making this Italian veggie pasta, and really you can do this however you want. These are just the vegetables that I put in my pasta, but definitely feel free to mix it up and add or take whatever you please. But one thing I wanted to mention, you definitely want to make sure that your pasta is not cooked too softly. You want it to be still firm so that when you're stirring all the ingredients together, your pasta doesn't crumble and break apart. And also, a good thing to note is that this dish becomes more delicious, more flavorful with time. So it's really good as leftovers. After like the second or third day, all the flavors are going to come together. It's really going to taste good. So this is definitely the kind of dish that tastes better as leftovers.
I love you though, yeah, no. But I really wanna say that I wanna go. And I hate it when you hit me up. Ring, don't call my line. 'Cause I know I should be giving up.
Here I'm going to be having these Mexican stuffed sweet potatoes. So easy. So we're going to start by prepping our potatoes. You just want to take a fork and pretty much prick or stab the potatoes all around their body, and then you want to take some oil. 9 times out of 10 I'm cooking with grapeseed oil, and you just want to cover the whole potato with oil and then pop that in the oven for about 375 to 400 degrees for 45 to 60 minutes.
Separate ways wreak havoc. Your ego was way too hard, you look shattered. I almost cut my finger on your sharp edges. Forget the lies you told, I hope you feel better. I didn't leave because you stopped me, I just pressed play. I bet you choose to stay in the past to say, but wait, how did you wait?
So the filling that I'm going to use to stuff my potatoes, that is definitely something that you can switch up. You can add other ingredients like corn, quinoa, wild rice, other vegetables, you know, do what you want. It's all good.
But I really wanna tell you that I love you though, yeah, no. But I really wanna say that I wanna go. And I hate it when you hit me up. Ring, don't call my line. 'Cause I know I should be giving up.
So I just want to say that this was so delicious. It was so good. One thing that I wish I could have added was some sour cream or plain yogurt. I went to 2 stores and I couldn't find any, so it's all good. It still tasted really, really good. I'm so happy with these. Highly suggest them. 10 out of 10. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thanks VidaCap for sponsoring this video and working with me. You guys be sure to check the description box for 20% off of your VidaCap order on some high quality mushroom capsules. I hope you enjoyed this video and get to try out some of these recipes. If you did, be sure to leave a comment down below and give a thumbs up to let me know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.